Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a foundation chain and single crochet for absolute beginners. So you will need a crochet hook. This is 4 mm is the standard size for beginners, or you can also use 5 mm crochet hook, and also we can use this yarn. This is 4-ply yarn, or you can also use medium yarn like worsted yarn is easiest to work with. So hope this video will be helpful for you. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. Start making a slip knot. Now place it on your hook. Now hold the hook and yarn correctly. Now wrap the yarn over the hook. And pull it through the slip knot. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Wrap the yarn over this hook and pull it through the loop. Wrap the yarn over the hook, pull it through this loop. So this way make the chains. So follow the video. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. So repeat until comfortable with making chains. So here is the foundation chains. So now learn the single crochet. First hold the hook and yarn correctly. Now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. So this is first chain, then insert hook in this second chain. Now yarn over, pull through the chain. So here is 2 loop. You have now 2 loops in this hook. Now yarn over again. Pull through both loops. Again, insert the hook in this next chain. Yarn over. Pull through the chain. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over again and pull through both loops. Insert the hook in this next chain. Yarn over. So here is 2 loops. Now yarn. Now pull through this both loops. So this way make the single crochet. Yarn over. Pull through the chain. So here is 2 loops. Then again yarn over. Pull through these both loops. So this way make the single crochet. So this is the basic single crochet. So now we will learn how to crochet the single crochet with turning work. So let's learn how to turn your work. First turn this in this left side like this. Then hold this single crochet and create a foundation for the next now. So first make 1 chain, then again make single crochet in this same stitch. So here is 2 chain looking like. So insert the hook in this stitch. This is the stitch. So first insert the hook, then yarn over, pull through this stitch. So here is 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through this both loops. Insert hook in this stitch, pull through this stitch. So here is 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. So continue making like this. Insert hook, pull the yarn, So here is 2 loops, wrap yarn, then pull through these 2 loops. So this way make the single crochet. So here I have made this single crochet. So this is the first stitch. Insert hook in this stitch, then pull the yarn through it. So here is 2 loops, then pull this yarn, pull the yarn through these 2 loops. So this is the working single crochet. If you want to make it bigger, this is the same process. So let me show you the 3rd rows. First make 1 chain, then turn the work, then make single crochet in the same way. So this is the working up. You can make anything with this single crochet. So let's make it. So this is the last stitch. So make single crochet in this last stitch. So this is the single crochet stitch. Once you have comfort with the single crochet, then you can make anything with this single crochet. Like you can make dishcloths or scarves. Just practice your skill and build your confidence.